everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and today we are starting with the exercise of chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is factorization. Yes, so chapter number 14 of class 8 and the name of the chapter is factorization. So we will be starting with the exercise now. We have already done the introduction videos. If there is still any topic which you haven't understood or you want me to explain again, please write in our comment section below. I'll surely make another video explaining the same topic. Alright, so let's start with exercise 14.1. So exercise 14.1, question number 1 says, find the common factors of the given terms. So children, we are given certain terms and हमें उन terms में से we have to find the common factors. So we have already done 4 methods of factorization, right? And the first method was common factor method. So what do we mean by this common factor method? In this method, we are given an expression, or if we talk about this question, we are given certain separate terms and we have to find the common factor between those terms. वो factor जो उन दोनों terms में है, that is the common factor between both the terms. So हमें वो ही common factor we have to find, as the question says, find the common factors between the given terms. So the first part is 12x and 36. We are given two terms, 12x and 36. अब हमें इनमें common factor निकालना है, right? So for that, first we will find the factors of 12x. So let's take the LCM of 12 and write the factors of 12x. Okay, so 2, 6 are 12. 12 is the number जो एक even number है, so it is divisible by 2. So 2, 6 are 12. Again 6 is even number, so 2, 3s are 6. Now 3, 1s are 3. So it means factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. And we cannot forget this x. X is also a factor. Variable है but still factor तो है ही, ठीक है? तो this will be into x also, right? तो ये तो factors हो गए 12x के. Now let's talk about 36. अब 36 के factors के लिए we'll take the LCM of 36 now. So 36 is an even number. It means it is divisible by 2 again. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, right? Again 2 9s are 18. Now children, 9 is not an even number, so अब ये 2 से नहीं जाएगा. So we will check whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. So 9, yes, 9 comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. I hope this is clear. अभी तो हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया, just factors लिखे हैं दोनों, right? So factors of 12x are 2 into 2 into 3 into x and factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to take the common factors जो इन दोनों में है. So we can say 2 is a common factor, again 2 is a common factor and 3 is a common factor, right? So yes, so the common factors would be 2. Let's write like this. Common factors are 2, 2, 3. only 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3 कर देते हैं इसको, 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 2 to the 4 3 जा 12. It means common factors जो आ गए that is 12. ठीक है. अब जो कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है उसको हम यहाँ पे नोट डाउन नहीं करेंगे. लाइक x इज नॉट अ कॉमन फैक्टर, x दोनों में नहीं है. सिमिलरली 1 3 इज एक्स्ट्रा इन 36, राइट. सो ये वाला 3 और ये वाला x हम कहीं पे भी नहीं नोट डाउन करेंगे. जस्ट वी हैव टू राइट दी कॉमन फैक्टर्स विच आर 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. तो वो आ गए हमारे कॉमन फैक्टर्स बिटवीन बोथ दी टर्म्स 12x and 36. All right. So this was the first question in which we had to find the common factors between both the terms. So वो हमने निकाल दिया. That comes out to be 12. All right. Now coming to second part of this same question. So the second part is 2y and 22xy. So again now we have to find the common factor. So first we'll find the factors of 2y and it is very easy. 2 into y, right? And now finding the factors of 22xy. So for 22xy पहले तो हमें 22 का LCM लेना पड़ेगा, right? So 22 is an even number. Yes, it is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So अब बच गया 11. 11 will come in the table of 11 only. So 11 1s are 11. So the factors are 2 into 11 into x into y, right? So these are the factors of 22xy. 2 into 11 into x into y. Now कॉमन फैक्टर्स. अब कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालने के लिए we will see what is common between the two. So 2 is common and y is common. So 2y is the common factor between 2y and 22xy. I hope this is also clear. अब यहाँ पे 2 और y के अलावा कुछ था ही नहीं, तो that's why 11 and x जो है वो कॉमन नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. कॉमन मीन्स जो दोनों में है, जो दोनों टर्म्स में है, that is common, right? So common factors are 2 and y. So 2y. All right. So this was the second part of question number 1. Now proceeding to part number 3. Now the third part of question number 1 is 14pq and 28p square q square. Yes, now we have two terms, 14pq and 28p square q square. So first let's find the factors of 14pq. So 14 is even number. So yes, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So we have 2 into 7 into p into q, right? Now factors of 28p square q square. So let's take the LCM of 28. Again 28 even number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Again 7 1s are 7. So factors are 2 into 7 into p into p. Why 2 times? Because we have p raised to the power 2. That's why peak will come 2 times, and similarly Q will come 2 times into Q, right? So factors of 28 P square Q square are 2 into 7 into P into Q, right? Now let's take the common factors. So 2 is common, yes. 7 is common, yes. P is common, yes. Q is common, yes. So yes, हमारे पास 14 PQ कॉमन आ जाएगा. Why? Because let's see how. Common factor equals to 2 into 7 into P into Q, which means 14PQ. अब 14PQ के अलावा कुछ नहीं आ सकता. P एक बार और, Q एक बार और, 2 एक बार और नहीं आ सकता. Why? Because वो इधर है ही नहीं. इधर 14PQ ही है, वो सब कॉमन आ गया. इट मीन्स और कुछ कॉमन नहीं आ गया, नहीं आ सकता, राइट? बट येस चिल्ड्रन, 1 इज कॉमन इन एवरी टर्म, एवरी एक्सप्रेशन. सब चीज़ों में 1 तो कॉमन होता ही है. तो इसमें आप इंटू 1 भी कर लो, कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं, आंसर तो वही रहेगा, राइट? आंसर तो अभी भी 14PQ ही होगा. सो 1 इज कॉमन इन एवरी टर्म. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. 1 इज कॉमन. अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है तो 1 तो कॉमन है ही. ऑलराइट, दिस वाज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Let's come to part number 4 now. So the fourth part is 2x (3x² and 4. So now we have 3 terms, children. अब हमें इन तीनों टर्म्स में वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज कॉमन, व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स बिटवीन ऑल द 3 टर्म्स. सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट we'll write the factors. So factors of 2x are 2 into x. Factors of 3x² are 3 into x. Why 2 times? Because we have x square, x raised to the power 2 means 2 times x, right? And factors of 4 would be 2 into 2. राइट, 2 into 2 is 4. ओके, अब कॉमन देखते हैं इनमें से कि व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन ऑल दीज 3 टर्म्स. सो 2, नो, 2 इन दोनों में तो है बट इधर नहीं है. सो 2 विल नॉट बी टेकन एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर बिकॉज वो 3x² में नहीं है. x इधर भी है बट अब इधर नहीं है. सो नो, x इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ कॉमन फैक्टर. 3 इधर नहीं है, इधर भी नहीं है. सो नो x, नो 2, नो. सो इट मीन्स नथिंग इज कॉमन बिटवीन ऑल दी 3 टर्म्स. अब इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. 2x में, 3x² में एंड 4 में देयर इज नथिंग कॉमन. बट येस, सो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होगा? 0 तो नहीं होगा बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू 1 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर इन ऑल दी टर्म, राइट? सो हम इसमें ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 in, sorry, we can write 1 into 2 into x, right? Similarly we can write 1 into 3 into x, and similarly we can write 1 into 2 into 2. ठीक है? So the common factor would be 1 now. 1 is the common factor between the 3 terms, right? Because और कुछ तो common है ही नहीं, but 1 is common in every term. So yes, 1 is the common factor of these 3 terms. We won't say 0, ma'am. 0 है common factors. No, 1 is the common factor. All right. So this was the 4th part. इसमें कुछ भी common नहीं था, so we took the common factor as 1. Okay. Coming to 5th part now. yes, coming to part number 5. So the fifth part is 6ABC 24AB square and 12A square B. So yes, these are the three terms. Now we have to find the common factors between all these three terms. So yes, starting with the first term 6ABC. Now 6 is 2 into 3, right? So this will be 2 into 3 into A into B into C. ये तो हो गए फैक्टर्स 6ABC के. Now coming to 24. So 24 के लिए let's take the LCM. So 24 is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. All right. Now again 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into A into B into B. Why I wrote B 2 times? Because it is B raised to the power 2. Don't forget to write, don't forget to notice this raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 3, because जितना पार होता है वेरिएबल उतनी टाइम्स हम नोट डाउन करेंगे. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू दी third term, which is 12A square B. So 12, let's take the LCM of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into A into B. Now A will be written 2 times because A square B है. ठीक है? So now let's take the common factors between all the three terms. So common, let's see, 2 से start करते हैं. 2 is common, common, common. Yes, 2 तीनों में है. So common factor equals to 2 हो गया first तो, ठीक है. Now let's come to 3. अब 3 इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है. So yes, 3 is also a common factor. Now let's come to A. Now children, अब मैं first term के ही क्यों terms को पहले ले रही हूँ? Because I know that यहाँ पे जितनी भी टर्म्स हैं वो इन दोनों में है, तो इसके अलावा तो कुछ आएगा ही नहीं. आएगा तो यही सब, बिकॉज 6ABC में इतना ही है, एंड कॉमन तीनों में से वही आएगा जो तीनों में कॉमन होगा. सो 2 into 3 डन. नाउ A. यस, A. सो A आ गया. नाउ B. सो यस, B आ गया. नाउ C इज नॉट कॉमन. C जो यहाँ पे है वो इधर और इधर नहीं है, राइट? सो C को हम लीव कर देंगे, वो नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, अब और कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. सो इट मीन्स द आंसर इज 6AB. सो 6AB इज कॉमन बिटवीन ऑल द थ्री टर्म्स. 6ABC, 24AB square and 12A square B. So 6AB is the common factor. Now children, यू अंडरस्टूड. इधर हमने 2 3AB ले लिया, बट जो बचे हुए बाकी जो 2 है, लाइक 1 2 इज है एंड 1 2 एक और इधर भी है, बट वो कॉमन नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे कोई 2 नहीं है, राइट? सो दिस वाज द फिफ्थ पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ प्रोसीडिंग टू पार्ट नंबर 6. Sixth part of question number 1. 16x cube. 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x. Okay. So let's start. अब factors निकालते हैं तीनों के, then we will find the common factors. So factors of 16x square, right? तो पहले 16 का LCM ले लेते हैं. So 16 is a multiple of 2 again. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So yes, 4 times 2. So we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x. So these are the factors of 16x cube. अब मैंने x को 3 times लिखा because x raised to the power 3 है हमारे पास. Alright. Now coming to minus 4x square. अब minus 4x square की factors के लिए we know that अब जहाँ पे minus है, ठीक है, 4x square होता है तो 4 भी नो, it is 2 into 2 into x हो गया 4x square, ठीक है. बट अभी माइनस भी है, सो अब उस माइनस का क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट दिस एज -1. अब इंटू -1 अगर हम कर देंगे इसमें, सो दैट विल ऑल्सो गिव अस -4x square ओनली. 4x square तो जब भी आएगा बस माइनस का आएगा, और वही हमारा क्वेश्चन में है. सो अगर हमारे पास माइनस का साइन है चिल्ड्रन, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज इनटू -1. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू 32x. अब 32x के फैक्टर्स के लिए लेट्स टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 32. सो 32 इज एन इवन नंबर, सो यस इट इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 नाउ. सो 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So we have 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. How can we forget this x? x के बिना तो काम ही नहीं होगा. So अब हमने इन तीनों terms के factors निकाल लिए. Now we will take the common factors. So common factors of 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x are, I think 2 is common. 2 is common between all the 3 terms. Again 2 is common between all the 3 terms. अब यहाँ पे और 2 नहीं है तो और 2 common हम नहीं ले सकते. So it means 2 into 2 2 times आएगा बस, because here we have 2 times. Okay. So 2 into 2 हो गया. Now let's come to x. अब x common है, x common है, x common है. But again children, x भी हम एक ही बार ले सकते हैं. Why? Because 32x में x एक ही बार है, right? So हम second x को नहीं ले सकते जो इन दोनों में है. Don't get confused. ये मत समझना कि इन दोनों में तो common है ही ना, तो हम common ले लेते हैं. No. It should be common in all the 3 terms. Alright? So बस इतना ही common आ रहा है. So it means the answer is 2 2s are 4 and x. So 4x is the common factor between all the 3 terms. Now I hope this concept is clear to you, how to find the common factors. Right. So this was the 6th part. Now let's start with part number 7 of this same question. Starting with the 7th part now. Yes, so the 7th part is 10pq 20qr and 30rp. So now we have 3 terms, 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. So first writing the factors of 10pq. 10 होता है 2 into 5, right? So 2 into 5 into p into q. Okay. Now writing the factors of 20qr. So first let's take the LCM of 20. So 20 is a multiple of 2. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. So we have 2 into 5 into q into r. Alright, now factors of 30 are p. So पहले 30 का LCM ले लेते हैं. तो 30 is a multiple of 2 again. So 2 15s are 30 होता है, and 15. अब 15 is not an even number, so it is not a multiple of 2. But let's check whether it is a multiple of 3. So yes, 3 5s are 15 होता है. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So we have 2 into 3 into 5 into r into p. Don't forget to write the variables as well. So अब हमने इन तीनों के अब हमने इन तीनों के factors निकाल लिए. So now our next step is to find the common factors, right? So 2 2 2, we can see 2 तीनों में है. So 2 is a common factor, right? Then 5 5 5, 5 again तीनों में है. So yes, 5 is the common factor. Then p नहीं है, इधर नहीं है p, so p will not be taken as a common factor. Similarly q अब इधर नहीं है, so no, q will also be not taken as the common factor. अब यहाँ पे 2 है, but 2 अब और यहाँ नहीं है, so no. Similarly qr, अब q इधर नहीं है और r इधर नहीं है, so basically इतना ही है जो common है और कुछ भी common नहीं है. So it means common factor between all these three terms is 2 into 5 10. Alright, so 10 is the common factor between 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. Okay, so this was part number 7 of question number 1. Now coming to the last part of question number 1, part number 8. Let's start with the last part of question number 1. Eighth part. So the eighth part is 3x square by cube 10x cube y square 6x square x cube. It's 3x square by cube 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. So 6x square y square z. So we have these three terms. First we will be finding the factors of these three terms, then we will come to common factors. So factors of 3x square y cube would be 3 into x, 2 times x, 3 times y. Yes? So these are the factors of 3x square y cube. Coming to 10. So 10 होता है 2 into 5. So x 3 times now and y would be 2 times now. Yes, clear? Okay, now coming to 6x square y square z. So 6 होता है 2 into 3 into x into y into z. So ये हो गए हमारे factors of all these three terms. But अब हमें निकालने हैं, we have to calculate the common factors. So common factors between all these three terms, अगर हम देखें 3 इसमें नहीं है, no. 2 and 5, 2 उधर है, 5 नहीं है, 2 उधर नहीं है, मतलब numbers are not common. ठीक है? Now let's come to the variables. So x तीनों में है, x, ठीक है? Again x तीनों में है, x, ठीक है? So x into x हो गया, एक तो common. Right, अब now let's come to y. अब एक और x इधर नहीं है, तो अब ये वाला x और ये वाला इधर भी नहीं है, ठीक है? So it means ये वाला x बच गया. Now coming to y 3 times, y 2 times, y 2 times, means 2 times y भी कॉमन आ जाएगा, right? So y into y, z नहीं आएगा because z is only in the third term. I think this is common, that's it. So x square y square is common between all these three terms. So the common factor of 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z would be x square y square. Alright, so I hope now this concept is clear to you, how we find the common factors between the terms. And also children, अभी तो हमने इसको expand कर करके किया है, but अभी जब आगे जाके आपको और exaggerated questions आएंगे तो ऐसे expand करके आप नहीं करेंगे, आप directly देखेंगे कि इसमें से कॉमन क्या क्या निकल सकता है. जैसे x 2 times है, 3 times है, 2 times है, तो 2x कॉमन आ गए. ऐसे करके आपको ये एक्सपैंड करके नहीं करना होगा. ऑलराइट, we will do questions, we will practice questions in that way as well. Okay, so this was question number 1 children. So question number 2 will be starting in our next video, so stay tuned for my next video. In that video we'll be starting with question number 2 of exercise 14.1. And if you still have any confusion, you can write in our comment section below. Alright, so thank you.